Hey Taurus, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Bottom of the deck, I have the 10 of Cups. So somebody definitely wants a family with you. Somebody, remember I told you they're trying to free themselves. Maybe somebody's trying to free themselves from some type of family situation. So let's see. Yeah. Somebody feels like whatever situation that they're in, there's no balance here. Could be dealing with the Sagittarius. Let's see. Because I feel like the way this just came out, this person was being sneaky in the past. And right now, I feel like they're trying to make changes because they want to do better, but right now they're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody also could be dealing with the Pisces. The way this came out, I'm definitely picking up, yeah, they were being sneaky. This person hid things from you, you know, they lied and all of that. And right now, they're scared. There's some fear here because they know that they're going to have to come and speak their truth. The Wheel of Fortune just tried to jump out of my hands. So it's like, if they want to move forward with you, they're going to have to come back and speak their truth to you. See? I told you. This person knows, they know that they didn't balance things out in the past, and they want to turn things around. They want to work this out. Look at that, Ace of Cups. I can't make this up. There's an offer of love coming in. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but I'm feeling like this person feels like either one, right now, even though they want this with you, they can't give you this stable offer until they free themselves from a situation. But others of you, they know that they didn't bring stability into the situation, so they're afraid that it's possible you're not going to take them back. Yep, see, somebody's getting cut off. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. See, didn't I tell you? This person's afraid that because they didn't bring stability into the situation, you're going to cut them off for good, and they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. See? They have to speak their truth. Truth is coming out. Tell me more. Yep. They're not confused. They're coming to you. They're just still taking their time. See, right now, they will take a leap to come towards you, but they're getting advice from someone. See, they're trying to figure it out. It's like, I have to make my next move has to be my best move. So I need to figure out when am I reaching out to Taurus or a cross watcher. Excuse me. If you're dealing with the Taurus, they're trying to figure out, okay, how should I do this? You know, when should I do it? Because see, right now they're trying to make a decision. They're not confused about who they want. They're trying to figure out when to come back in. Even though they're not confident in doing so, you will get an apology from them. Because look at that. You're going to get the offer that you deserve, Taurus. But right now, Spirit is saying they're dragging their feet. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But look, they're dragging their feet because there is still some type of third-party situation that's taking place. I do feel like they're worried because there could have been a lot of harsh communication in the past. They could be going through some type of disagreement right now with a third party, which is why there's a lot of harsh communication as well. But I do feel like even though they're dragging their feet, this person wants to come back. And they want to rush in to ask you out. You know, I see that they like they want to see you. They want to talk to you. They just got to figure out how exactly to do this. Let's see. Tell me more. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. This could be representing someone's mother or a mother figure if they have a child with someone. This also could represent them hurting you because of a third-party situation. You know, and even with the Six of Pentacles here, it's like, yes, they want to balance things out with you, Taurus, but this person knows that they're going to have to give to someone else. Or they've been giving to someone else, and that's the problem. Tell me more. Yep. They stabbed you in the back. In the past, they were juggling. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but they're afraid that, you know, you're not going to accept their offer. You're going to reject them. They're feeling like they're not going to have a new beginning with you, but they definitely want a commitment with you. They want a relationship, but judgment is here. They need to make a decision, but I feel like, honestly, Taurus, the ball is in your court. You're going to have to decide if you want to take them back, and they know it. See, they're afraid that things will not improve. They're worried about their money. So, for some of you guys, there is a situation going on where they're coming back to you, Taurus. But whoever this other individual is that they've been entertaining or dealing with, that they've been helping or giving money to, in order for them to leave, they're going to have to give money to them, or they're going to have to pay up. You know, and this judgment could be them possibly going to court. You know, and this is why they're worried about money here, because they're afraid that financially speaking, they're not going to be okay. Remember, I told you up here when the Emperor was reversed, one of the things that I picked up is they're afraid that they're not going to have stability, you know, within themselves in order for them to come back towards you to give you this offer. So, yeah, it is financial stability. So, somebody out there is worrying about their money. There's the Lovers. They want a commitment with you. Could be dealing with the Gemini, but right now, they're not moving forward. They're afraid they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Clarify the Queen of Wands, please. Clarify the Queen of Wands. It's like you guys are coming off like the Queen of Wands. This person, it's like they look at you as someone who's positive. You're somebody who's passionate, and they know they messed up with you. This is why they're having a hard time sleeping. Yep. And they're not listening to their intuition right now because they're not talking to you. There's little to no communication coming in. So they're coming out of being frustrated, but at the same time, I'm really picking up like they are worrying. See, Ace of Swords, you have communication coming in. They're going to come and speak their truth to you because they do want to have this new opportunity. They do want to start over with you. See, they want stability with you, but there's somebody in the background still holding on, and that's the problem. See, I'm telling you, it's about money. There's something going on with your person and money, because I'm telling you, like I said before, them leaving whoever, this other person that I'm picking up on, they're going to take a financial hit. I'm seeing it. This other person, I feel like they're mad that they're getting ready to walk away or leave, and so they're holding on to them, like especially if it's a love interest. You know, they're like, okay, you're going to leave me? Okay, well, we'll see about that. You know, it's like this vindictive type of energy. If they've been helping like family or something like that, I feel like family could have been in the way because of the simple fact that your person has been taking care of them. They've been helping them, and your person knows that, you know, they've lost out on a lot of money, you know, helping this person, going above and beyond, you know, because somebody could have been playing damsel in distress, you know, but I feel like they used and abused your person, to be honest. But let's see. See, I'm telling y'all, it's money. This was why they had you waiting, and it was because of money. But they don't want to look back in the past. They don't. See, Page of Pentacles reversed just tried to jump out of my hands. I'm telling you, codependency. Somebody, it's like they were codependent to a situation or to an individual for financial reasons, whether somebody was codependent to them or they were codependent to someone else. I can't, look at all these pentacles. Y'all can't make this up. See what I'm saying? It's like they left you out in the cold because of someone else, whether this is friends, family, a love interest. I'm seeing that they don't want to put any more time or energy into this person because they see what it is. But the thing is, they feel like they messed up with you because they feel like you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them because they had you waiting. They left you out in the cold, running back to this love interest, running back to this family situation, or if the third party was career, their focus was more so on, you know, their career, their job, their finances, instead of putting in that same energy into you, and you're like, I'm not having it. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but I'm seeing here that this person learned their lesson. It took for you standing your ground, walking away, in order for them to turn things around. See what I'm saying? They want to come towards you. They want a family with you. They do not want you walking away. They don't. They learned their lesson, see? If there was a family situation that they were not walking away from, they're going to walk away now. I see it happening. They're removing themselves from that situation. Oh my gosh, what is this? Alright, y'all. Y'all are sign number 3, okay? Aquarius, Leo, and now Taurus. Okay. Jesus, what is happening? Let me tell y'all something. I hate that we gotta have this conversation. Y'all see these 2 cards here? Y'all know what this means, right? There was some type of spell work or black magic that was being done. Hands down. The thing is, because both of these cards are reversed, that's telling me somebody definitely got out of it. Okay? It's not no, oh, they're working on it. They're out. So remember I told you, somebody, whoever they were dealing with, whether it's family or it was a love interest, somebody they were doing some shit, okay? Whatever, I cuss. Killed, whatever. Look, they were doing some shit, okay? And now this was the issue. That's why I'm saying free yourself. They've been trying to work on getting away from this person, this family situation, or a family member, whatever was going on. They're gonna get out of it. But the thing is, they're not positive you're going to take the back seat. Now they're hurting. This person is upset and they're sad because they know they messed up. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But you see, look at that. The Knight of Pentacles came out reversed, which lets me know in the past, they were moving slow as hell. Now, they're getting ready to make a move. Why? Because they got out of something that was being done to them. This is what was slowing them up. Oh, Lord. Jesus. They know you're not happy with them. They know it. They know it. Oh, Jesus. Alright, see, they're getting ready to take action, guys. Yep, they made a decision. They made a decision, Taurus. There's your card. I'm telling you, I have 2 decision cards back to back. They made a decision about you, but they're afraid that you don't want to have a commitment with them. But I'm telling you, some of them are breaking free from some type of commitment or marriage that they were codependent to. They're breaking free. Look at, is this Justice? Oh my God, you see this? The fact that Justice landed on top of the Hierophant, okay. Somebody could be dealing with another Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. But I'm going to tell you something that just came to me. Somebody definitely was in some type of long-term commitment or a marriage, or somebody was committed to a family. But I'm going to be honest with you, I feel like whoever I'm talking to, this could definitely be like a love relationship situation. So whoever they were in a relationship with, or they were committed to, I feel like their spouse, their significant other, whoever they were talking to, they were doing some type of spell work or black magic. Now, it is possible that family could have gotten involved and they were doing this too, but that was the codependent situation. Somebody had to do this in order for your person to stay with them. Taurus, this isn't for everybody, but I'm going to be honest with you, what I just heard, there's somebody here. Okay, it's too many, y'all. Okay, hold on. Okay. I don't know who this is for, but I'm going to have to say it. This is not for all of you out there, but cross-watcher. I'm going to tell you something. I'm not going to, you know what? Nope, we're not going to do that. Let me just put it out there. So, look. I'm hearing that there's a Taurus that was doing black magic. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you're watching, but if you're watching, whatever. It was you. You know who you are. You were doing this to someone else, and what's interesting, which is why I paused, I heard Libra. So I don't know if there's a Taurus and a Libra dealing with each other. I don't feel like that's the exact scenario, but I did hear scenario.